No, the rate is 10%. Your boy is loyal, sir. Your boy is very loyal, sir. Now because of me, they call that word loyal, sir, because I'm very loyal. Don't forget your boy in the kingdom. No. So let's continue. Where am I? Okay, I said times. Now the RRR, which is the rate, the ratio is 10%. So percent, the word percent means divided by 100, which means this is 1,000. Find we hold this thing now. Times 1 divided by 10 divided by 100. So 10 divided by 100. This two things like this. Yes, better. 10 divided by 100 becomes, first of all, 1,000 is still here, right? Times 10 divided by 100, right? If you do in your calculator, if you go to your calculator and you do 10 divided by 100, you'll get 0.1. So which means here becomes 1 over 0.1. Because this side is still 1 all over. Remember, this 2 is 0.1 now. So if you do that, it means here will become.
So this is the table, liabilities and assets. Assets reserve is 1,000. Deposits.
It means here will become.
It's also 1,000.
Right, here will become 1,000 because this will times this direct. 1,000 over 0.1 to give us 10,000. So we'll be doing table by table, right? Table by table.
This amount, that's 1,000. To get the answer here, that's 100. Then 1,000 minus 100.
So we'll come to the first table.
Come to the next table.
And there becomes this.
900. Continue like that till this one.
So what we have first will be the reserve, right? The net change.
So this answer now, you start getting them. 900 here.
Whatever they had there, loan or something. So this net change goes by 0.1 times what? The new reserve. First reserve we have, when we do that calculation, what was it? It was, sorry, before in the question, it was 1,000. The arrow, right? In the question was 1,000. Then 0.1 times reserve, here was 0.1 times 1,000, right? Is 100. So if we put 100, we are going to less both of them to get this side. So if we less both of them, this minus this will become 9. Sorry, if we less this, bracket means minus in this thing, we'll get 900. And the demand deposit usually rhyme. Sorry. And the deposit usually rhyme with what? The reserve. So it's 1,000. Sorry, it's 1,000. Right, 1,000. They'll come to the second part, we'll do the same thing. Now, the reserve after that first one is now 900. It's now this part. We can even come here new reserve if you want. So, which means it become 900 using the same thing, which is what? Net change, which is 0.1 times that reserve, which is, if we minus this, we get what? 810. And remember, your demand deposit, your deposit, rhyming with what? Rhyming with whatever your reserve is, means it's still what? 900. We come to the third part, we do, sorry about this, we do the third side, which is what? The new one. Remember, from what we got in our answer before, it's now 810, right? 810. So here it becomes, which means the deposit, which is the same thing, is the same what? 810. We come to the next part and we say, okay, we have 810. Net change, which is what? 0.1 times that what? 810, which is the new reserve, which is what? If we do that, we'll have 7. We'll have 81, right? We'll have 81. So 810 minus 81 would give us 729. Remember, minus, right? Then the 810 is still here. And then we'll now formulate the last table, which we are putting both of them, right? So the 100, which we got from this thing, the 900, which we got when we do this stuff, and this is 1,000. What I mean is 1,000, the initial one for A. Then we will take 100, and when we do it, we'll minus it to get 900. Remember that for A. For B, when we do this thing, we had 900 now, right? And we had, the stuff we took away was 81. 90. The stuff we took away was 90. We have 810. Remember, it was 900. Remember in the table. The third one, initially, we had 810, right? We took away what? 81, which was here. And we have 729, which was what? The last one. So, just like the same thing we'll still be having. If you check the second one, it's still the same thing. We take away, 900, 100, 1,000. That is the first one, sir. 810, 90, and 900.